This is the lecture for Kristen Korsgaard's The Personal Identity and the Unity of Agency, a Kantian Response to Parfit. So it's not a very, very long article, but it is longer than the usual readings I give you. Um, live with it. Part of that is because this article does a really good job reviewing a lot of the stuff that we've just looked at, and so it sort of cements it in your brain better and gives you another chance to go over a lot of this, and then it expands upon it and objects to it in a lot of ways. So this is like a really good article for getting us back into and expanding the topics of personal identity and ethics. So that I'm just noting this so that you know that if a lot of it sounds familiar, that's good. Like you should sort of already understand a lot of this article, or if not, this should help you understand a lot of stuff that you were having trouble understanding earlier. And so that should also make this article maybe go a little faster. And yeah, that's it. So be prepared.